In this guide, we're going over how you can use emotes and how you can get emotes here in Jujutsu Shenanigans on Roblox, no matter what platform you're on. This is going to be for mobile, PC, console. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now first things first, in order to use emotes, you just press V to open up your emote wheel. And you can equip these emotes from your inventory. There's a few different ways to actually get these emotes. You can go ahead and get them from the shop by opening up, and you're going to see emotes just like so. You could get like specific like random emotes, or you could get a specific one as well. Just either purchase using in-game money or Robux. It really is up to you. To get money in-game, what you can go ahead and do is just get kills and earn cash, and then of course buy emotes from there. But there's also going to be like free emotes that you can use as well, and these come from like codes and specific rewards and exclusive events. So as long as you go ahead and enter in codes whenever you do see that there's any available, you should go ahead and get some easy, free, and exclusive emotes to use. A quick summary, obviously kills equals money, and then you can buy emotes or you could use codes or events to get the free emotes as well, but it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.